Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And I had a bad day. I had a very, very bad day. And still, I use hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I want to make it into a habit. I see some other people doing advertisement and they open up saying some gimmick words. So maybe I will take such a beautiful, beautiful day as my gimmick, as my starting point. It actually helped me to set my mind, to set myself into a more reasonable, more calm, and more a little bit better mind state. So I had a very, very, very bad day yesterday, and there is not even a reason for it. I am starting to think whether it's my problem or it's once in a while our physical cycle, our mental cycle get into this downtime. Anyway, it was very bad. And bad to I will not tell you the reason because it's not relevant to your life. You will have a problem from time to time. You will have a problem that triggered your anger, your stress, your frustration, and your explosion of anger, explosion of emotion. But that trigger could be just so tiny. The problem is not that problem. I break a glass, I break a dish, something fall down, and it's our daily life happening. This happens all the time. That could be the trigger. And something like you open the door does not work. You open up your phone, one app does not work. Is that a problem of that? No. It's the problem of internal problem. It's because we have accumulated too much negativity, or we have accumulated too much happiness. Can you believe it? We have accumulated too much happiness, and it's not fair. We need to have negativity to balance it out. So I could not figure out what was exactly the reason, and it was to the point that I want to scream. I want to break things, and I feel that there is so much thing inside me. I am almost explode, but I cannot do that, and it's so I cannot relieve myself because I cannot break out in front of people. I cannot break out in the street, right? I cannot. It takes so much effort for me to calm down. And the whole evening was kind of low. And at the end of the day, not end of the day. So at the end, I went into the car and I sit in my car and I'm driving home. I give myself some time. Calm down. Make yourself comfortable. I put my seat warmer. I put it warm, comfortable, no podcast, no motivational talks, no smart talks, nothing. When my mind is coming to a little bit cool down, I turn on music, very calming, those kind of toilet music, those kind of elevator music, those kind of very non-intrusive music. Make myself calm down, relax, and treat myself with a car seat warmer. Treat myself by not stressing out myself. And I tell myself, it will be over. It was not over. It has not been over. The next day comes a little bit better. So now, this is the next day. I am a little bit better. Still, there are a lot of things not totally getting over. But I'm so much better. All I want to say is it will be over, even if it takes time. Trust yourself. Treat yourself with warmth, with comfort, with a banded seat, with a cushion under your head. It will be over. So last night, I was to the stage. I want to go out to eat pizza, to eat things go outside to eat burger, to eat. I know something not good, but anyway, I didn't do that. And I went to discover a new shop. It's a family kind of chain shop with new products and different things. So it helped me to calm down. I do not do anything productive. I do not do anything useful. I just spend that time to do things that allow me to come back to my normal sense. At the end of the day, I went to swim. I was so lazy, I didn't want to swim, so I went to the shop and spent half an hour in the shop, came back, still I have 20-30 minutes time to swim. So I went to swim, and I did the right thing, and it made me happy. At least I did not completely destroy my day because of bad spirit, because of the bad feeling. I recovered from it. It will be over, even if it is very, very hard. It will be over. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do.